What's up guys, it's Sqaure. Today we got a new video unboxing 2 new cubes ordered from the cubicle, so let's get right into it. So first off we have the Little Magic Sqaure-1 M and the Yuxin Huanglong magnetic Pyraminx. So here they are. Let's just get right into the Little Magic Sqaure-1 first. My first Sqaure-1 was this $3 Chifa Sqaure-1 I used. Non-magnetic, and it popped every single time I turned it, so I just had to get a new one. I don't even want to put it together. It's not worth my time. Here we are with the Little Magic Sqaure-1. So yeah, is the first commercially fully magnetic Sqaure-1 besides the Cubicle Labs Volt. So yeah, and it was only $10 too, which is insanely good. I haven't seen much videos on this, probably because it's not taken super seriously. Here we go, right out of the box. No plastic wrap. Feels, I don't know, the plastic feels way nicer than I expected it to. There's a lot of lube on the outside. Hold up. Okay, so that magnetic bump is actually pretty nice. Yeah, there's a magnet, it clicks in every time. Yep, there's slight magnetic bump here, not as strong. Okay, let's just get into some first turns. Wow, that is feeling nice, actually. Wow. Okay, yeah, guys, this cube is actually feeling really nice right now. Like, oh wow. Okay, so the magnets are definitely noticeable here. I can definitely feel them when turning, and it like clicks everything into place perfectly. And I can't really see this popping that much. Wow. Okay, so yeah, this was literally $10 and it's fully magnetized. And I'm pretty sure there's a little bit of lube in it, but right now has a nice papery feel to it, which I'm actually really enjoying right now. Yeah, that's Appreciate that there's not frosted plastic on this because it's way easier to grip now. And wow, I've never felt the Volt before, but I could see people saying this is better than it. But dang, yeah, that feels really nice right now. Like, nicer than it should for $10. So yeah, Yuxin is really stepping it up with these budget puzzles, and this is no exception. It's really nice. I mean, just the fact that there's a fully magnetic Sqaure-1 available for $10, and the cubicle one's like $52. Here's a look at some of the shades. Let's just checkerboard it. And wow, these shades are actually really nice. My skills at Sqaure-1 are pretty bad. I get like 110s, so I don't even know if I'll make cut off at my next competition. Yeah, overall, really nice. This is going to be my main, definitely. I would fully recommend this, considering that it's only $10. It's nothing you're breaking the bank for. And overall, very nice puzzle. I accidentally just ripped off all the plastic wrap on the outside of the box without filming, but here it is. I also took out the stuff at the bottom, but there wasn't much in there, just a couple springs, magnets, ball bearings, and washers. There's nothing to see there. This is the box. It's pretty nicely packaged. So the cube was a little bit lubey on the outside, so I'm going to wipe that off first. Okay, so I've wiped it mostly of this lube that was on the outside. So the plastic right now, I think, is the same exact plastics that's on the Little Magic Sqaure-1. It's very grippy and more shiny than, I would say, frosted. So this does have primary internals, and I'm going to feel the magnetic bump first. Oh yes, that is very, very strong. Perfect click every time. Tips are also magnetic and bumps into place really well. So let's just get into some first turns. Whoa. Holy cow. That's good. That's really good. It's really fast and it just clicks really nicely. Holy cow. Okay, let's get a quick scramble. Oh my, okay, it is fast, I'll admit. But yeah, wow, okay. Let's do a quick solve. Oh, there's gotta be scrambled more. Okay. Wow. Okay, so I'm near sub 10 on Pyraminx. I just intuitively solve it. I don't really do a method because I'd probably just slow myself down doing that. But yeah, I just intuitively solve it quick and easily. And wow. Okay, guys, this thing is really nice. It's way better than my last Pyraminx I used, a Huanglong. And it was okay, I guess, but it's a bit blocky. And I wasn't getting perfect times on this, but this, also this had no ball bearings in this, so, but dang, this doesn't need the ball bearings. It has very strong magnets. Like, if I just, it just clicks into place every time, and holy cow. Jeez, this is way nicer than it should be. Oh my gosh, these tips aren't ever going to miss a line on me. It's Yuxin's first flagship Pyraminx that's meant to be taken seriously, and I can see a lot of people using this. This is extremely nice. So here we go. Yeah, just the turning of this is incredibly good. Like, it's really just awesome. Like, I'm gonna be getting way better times on this than I used to get. It has a very nice sound when it turns. It's like, yeah, it's very buttery, but also like, it has a slight clacky sound to it. There's just some raw turning noise. So yeah, overall, this Pyraminx probably better than the Bell, but I don't know how valid that statement is. It definitely seems more fluid than it. I've only felt like one, and it felt okay, I guess. I'm gonna further feel my friends at my upcoming competition. Okay, so first impressions out of both these two. This came a little bit tight out of the box. Like, it can't cut super well like that. It's a bit tight right now. Look, there's no piece separation, but the magnetic bump is very powerful. I really like it, and I just scrambled it up on camera. Whoops, hold up. Okay, so these do have different feels, although I think they're like pretty much made out of the same material. Like, it's the same exact plastic, primary internals, and the magnets on this are actually pretty strong, like way stronger than I would imagine them to be. And right now, it has like a clacky-ish feel. Like, it's hard to describe. Yeah, it's a bit tight out of the box, I'll admit, and I'm probably gonna tension and set it up a little bit. This thing is incredibly good. Has a really like nice quickie feel to it. Clicks into place every turn because the magnets are very, very strong on this. And the plastic overall just feels very premium. So yeah. It's very fast. I would recommend this to anyone who's new to Pyraminx or somebody who wants to try it out. Very good Pyraminx, and really, I'd recommend doing Pyraminx as an event because it's really easy to do, and you can probably just solve it intuitively yourself. Maybe I'll show a video on how to solve it. So yeah, that was a quick unboxing. Remember, this is the Yuxin Huanglong Magnetic Pyraminx. This is the Yuxin Widow Magic Sqaure-1 M. I'm pretty sure this Widow Magic Sqaure-1 comes non-magnetic. Same with this. So yeah. Two slightly budget magnetic Yuxin puzzles. Both very, very nice. Like, Yuxin is incredible with these. So yeah. This has been Lemon Square. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.